Today we're making a very simple Halloween decoration. I used a foil balloon in the shape of a pumpkin, but you can easily replace it with any other foil balloon that fits the Halloween theme. We start by inflating 12-inch latex balloons. I inflated mine to 8 inches, but the size may vary a little. It's perfectly fine if you make them slightly bigger, 9 inches, or smaller, 7 inches. Next, pair up the black balloons and then twist 2 pairs together to form one cluster. Now it's time for the orange 12-inch balloons. Inflate them a little smaller than the black ones, in my case about 6.5 inches. Again, make pairs and then connect them into a cluster of 4 balloons. Once you have both clusters ready, use the end of one balloon, a twisting balloon, or a piece of string to tie the 2 parts together, placing the orange balloons on top of the black ones so they sit tightly. The next step is inflating the foil balloon, in this case, a cute pumpkin. I'll leave a link in the video description showing how to inflate foil balloons with air. To save time, I'll speed up this part a bit. After inflating the foil balloon, use a piece of twisting balloon, string, or ribbon to tie it securely in the right spot on the foil balloon. I used a twisting balloon and wrapped it around the balloon base we just created. And just like that, our decoration is ready. But of course, things can always get even better. From a previous project, I had a little bit of fake spider web left, and after adding it to the balloons, the decoration instantly got an even spookier Halloween look. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more balloon tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. It also lets me know that what I'm doing is helpful to someone. I wish you a fantastic Halloween and see you in the next episode on my channel.